Well, it open.
Don't pull it by the top. Girl, you about wore it. Let's go.
I just don't want to get out. Hello, everybody. So I saw this video that you can make a slushie in a pineapple.
Out of the pineapple.
Out of the pineapple, and then into the pineapple.
Alright. Want to give this a go?
Yep.
Alright, here we go.
First step, let a parent cut off the top of the pineapple. Next step, right after your parent cut the top off, get a spoon and then dig out the pineapple into a blender. If you need like a little help from a parent, just ask. So there's also a core in there, so just try your best to figure out how to get it out. So let's keep on doing this. Okay. We finally got it out. Ew.
Pretty good.
On to the next step.
Oh, cool.
Now you need to clean it all out so you can put it in the blender cup. When you finally got all the pineapple out, it's time to blend it. Whoa, it's empty in there. So for optional, you can do ice or sugar, so it can make it sweet, or it can make it like smoother maybe.
Okay.
Or you can add like
You can throw a banana in.
banana, milk, maybe anything. I can't take them out.
Yeah, just kind of shake them. As you're shaking it towards the cup. There you go. There you go. Do it again. That's all right. Don't worry about it. Keep going. There you go.
Ow.
A couple more in there. Don't let it hit you in the foot. There you go.
For me, for optional, I'm gonna put sugar, so add like a little bit more sugar. And now I'm should be on this.
I'll go ahead and put it in there. Rinse it off in the actual. Nope, rinse it off in there. There you go. Now lick the spoon.
It's time to blend it. Okay, now it is all done. Turn off, Daddy.
Here, switch me.
That was hard for me, but let's see if my father can do it. There we go.
All right.
Look at that.
Let me look at it. All right. Let's see it now. Don't let it overflow, but just fill it back in there. There you go. Keep going. You can fill it up. Pull it all in there. There you go. Perfect.
So with the top, so we're gonna put the top on and then leave it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours, and then we'll try it.
Right there.
We put it right there. How? Waited long for it to freeze up, and it's time to eat.
Let's get it and let's try it.
Well, it open.
Don't pull it by the top. Girl, you about wore it. Let's go.
I just don't want to get out.
Gotta pick it up.
I'm trying to. I got it.
Go.
I got it.
All right, grab you a spoon. All right, here we go. Give it a try.
It's pretty good. And this is completely optional. Like you can even add whipped cream to this.
Right on top.
Yep.
At least you called it whipped cream and not shaving cream. Is it good?
It's pretty good.
All right. Okay. All right. So that was our pineapple. Cut the top off. And make the slushy out of it. It was good. She's gonna eat it all up, and it was a good time.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, y'all.
I hope you try this at home too.
Piece of a pineapple.
Piece of a pineapple. Perfect.